Kathy says, if the IRS is so short-handed, why are they looking into Venmo accounts and personal things that you sell?
Well, it's not really. First of all, let's take a step back. What's being referred to with the Venmo accounts, and everyone should be aware of this, is that starting this year in 2022, the mobile payment providers, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, cash, the cash apps that are out there, they are now going to be required to report to you and to the IRS any of the transactions that you're making with them. So we deal with a lot of small business owners that sell on, I don't know, Etsy or individual, Elizabeth, and they
Hmm.
use Venmo. And when they're doing that now they're going to be getting 1099 forms, like a disclosure form from Venmo, as well as it's going to be reported to the IRS as to what the payments were that they received. So it's going to create, raise a lot of eyebrows at the end of this year and the beginning of next year. So be aware that that is going to be happening. And there's two pieces of advice I have for you there. First of all, number one is that it's just a record, so it should match out to the cash payments that you're receiving. So it's because the IRS is going to be looking at that as well. And number two, please be aware of any fraudulent requests, because Venmo and PayPal and some of these other services, they might need more information from you to send you these forms, like your tax ID number, your social security number. And I'm seeing that there's a lot of a lot of hackers out there, and fraudsters on the internet that are putting emails out there asking for this information when they're just trying to grab your personal information when they shouldn't. So be very careful where the request comes from. To answer your question, they're so under-resourced, it's going to be a big job for the IRS to do, but it's not for the IRS to decide. This was legislation that was passed in 2021 that said that this is new reporting that's going to be required. The IRS is just filling that requirement. That's all.